enemy remaining.
Oh! B!
Clutch.
Duo ace! That's me and my duo.
Fucking ace, man.
Guys,
And another round I get Bucky. Every time I get Bucky, I feel like it's a good luck.
Go, chat. Thank you, chat.
cállate. You had your fun. My turn.
Oh, they res.
That does not look like a win to me.
They res.
No, wait.
120. 120. Yo.
There.
Wait. Bomb.
Dropping smokes. Last player standing.
What?
Like I never
Wait, come to me,
left.
come to me!
Last player
This guy
standing.
fucking sucks.
He's 1 HP. I hit him 30.
Shot down. 110 whip.
Last player standing.
Shot down.
Multiple enemies. Spike down A. One enemy remaining.
Nice, bro. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Omen cancel.
Giant.
They're coming. They're coming. Oh my god, he actually dropped down.
Spike down B. One enemy remaining.
Whoa!
Defenders.
If you TP back, you should TP with the HP that you do.
Shit.
One enemy remaining.
If you TP back, you should TP back with the HP that you originally TP'd with.
Down A. That's
my-
My ultimate's ready. I have.
All unranked.
Get out of my
Updraft, I dare you. I'm just trying. It's just B, guys. I'm so bad. I'm so
I
ugly.
killed real. You're in. You're. Dude, kill.
Sight. Darting sight.
Go!
They flipped.
Don't miss me too much. One enemy remaining.
Got me? They aim.
Last player.
What? They are not silver.
Blinded.
Oh my.
Spike
God.
down B.
Oh my
One
God.
enemy remaining.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
Nah.
We got a game to win, fellas.
You can't do
We got a game to win, fellas.
Oh wow, it's beautiful.
I know, chat. They're all spawn. I'm not even kidding.
Alright, I'm gonna throw.
1 DP low. 1 DP low.
Let me win this round for us.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Oh shit!
That's my duo.
I just set him up!
He took the corner.
One enemy remaining.
I'm gonna die. Let's get in.
Watch this. Trick shot. No.
Wait, don't do it.
It's in the
Bro,
round.
please don't do it.
Oh my god.
He
that's
actually
so
checked the
tilted.
corner.
He checked the corner when you swung.
Switching
that is
sides.
tilted. That tilted me actually.
With us after this. Go for broke.
Name
I
5
don't know
walk.
about this one,
Tyson, you know what a walk is?
actually. A walk? No. I took off the shift button on my keyboard.
Oh, like W-O-K.
What? W?
W-O-O-K.
Oh yeah, the thing you cook with. Yeah.
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 Yo,
No,
no,
I didn't know.
Wait.
I didn't know what it was when my cat told me.
Wait. What?
Are we walking up A here?
Yeah, my
You never
child.
eaten something from a walk?
No, my child's calling me fake Asian.
Calling my bot.
That actually might be.
Okay.
I door to yellow. Door to yellow. Broke dart. Could be yellow.
Guys.
What the fuck is that?
That's from here to here. When we go in.
Alright.
I got blood.
Tactical.
Just gulp. Reyna close.
Barrels clear. Barrels.
Chill, give me time.
I just took ball.
Enemy
down.
kill.
Hitting your left.
Chill, give me
Block
time.
in sight.
No, they can flank. They can flank. Look left.
There they are.
What's this?
Good
My
flank,
ult's ready.
Wanna push spawn?
Yeah, I'm down to push.
I'm in, let's do it. Flanking,
The way
they're
you
flanking,
dash
they're
is so
flanking.
tough.
They're both like they have
Go
to.
B, go B, go B, go B, go B, go
Go
B.
B. You're mid.
GB, 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 GB.
Hold on.
One shot.
Silence!
One enemy remaining.
Ace.
Not holding that anymore.
Alright. Oh my god.
I slowed them down. I think they're on the way.
On the pipe.
No chance.
Psychopath move.
The silent jump top pipe
Yeah,
shot.
It's you and me.
Oh, you got the wrong guy, pal.
Like I never left. One enemy remaining.
Close right.
Oh.
Making cover.
Oh.
Last player standing.
Get him.
Oh!
That's right.
Okay, bro.
Yeah, that's enough. That's enough.
No. Not.
Was it sick chat? Looks like
Yeah,
one of
I'm feeling.
looks like one of my clips.
Lock in, boys.
Like they were all beat.
Oh my god. Nice.
Their numbers and
Yo, I need a shit.
hold on.
Please don't lock. One screen, one right.
Katie,
on, Bowie.
Ace! Nah! Tyson's different. Oh my.
I think a fake.
I'm gonna die. Wait, I'm actually gonna die. Hey, bro, I just seen the clip of the ace. You are too funny.
What?
The middle fingers at the end. Woo! Let's just win out, bro. I'm actually.